Here I have Toshido M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button. Okay, so you can't find this button here yet, but you can go to settings from here and go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. In advanced you can also change its setting, change its password. You can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can set up a maximum amount of connections. You can set up VPS connect mode. You can change hotspot control mode to the whitelist. Here you can add device to the whitelist. Here you can see connected users, and here you can see blocked users. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, and now after you already enabled hotspot once, you can also switch it here at the upper bar. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.